Get in there, boy. That's a lot of cardamom.
This is the stuff right here.
Hiya folks, AJ the Bartender here. Well, we're back. Despite popular demand, we returned. This week, we're gonna be making quite possibly the best White Russian I've ever had. Michael, is this the best White Russian that you've ever had?
I would say, as an alternative to the White Russian, I'm very close.
God damn it. Well, I think it's pretty damn good. Anyway, here's what we're gonna do to make this White Russian. We're gonna be using 1.5 ounces of Smirnoff vanilla vodka. Now, before you go and make jokes about Smirnoff, I'll have you know that they win the taste test more than any other vodka, even though they're the cheapest on the market. It's still a damn good vodka, so don't knock it. And we're gonna be using our tried and true coffee liqueur, Kahlua. Mexican coffee liqueur. We went ahead and made a pistachio paste with raw pistachio nut meats, and added a little water and a little simple syrup just to get it kind of the consistency we want. We're gonna be using whole raw milk for this one. That's right. Shake it a little, and this will help all those ingredients kind of mix up. It's gonna be a little frothy. Please compensate for that. And we're gonna just sprinkle a little cardamom on the top, and that's gonna set you off right. I went ahead and went online and got these, it's called Bob's Bitters vanilla flavor. I couldn't find vanilla at Bevmo, at any grocery store around here. Couldn't find it anywhere. So I went online and I ordered Bob's Bitters.
Give me on that drip.
This is a delicious drink. The dude abides. Put it this way, it's hard to screw up a White Russian, okay? Even if you're using powdered milk, it's still gonna be good. Those three ingredients just blend beautifully. We went ahead and went a little over the top. Michael's favorite drink is White Russian, so had.
The thing that's nice about this drink is that you have the pistachio nut at the end of it. You get a little extra pistachio flavor at the end of the drink.
Like Michael said, you'll get your nut off after you've finished your cream. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Nothing's free in this world. This aggression will not stand, man.